everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have my winter 2019 FabFitFun box, so let's check it out. I can't wait to see what's inside. The first item is the FabFitFun Magazine. Ooh, I've actually been looking into this discount code for purple mattress. Hey, if you have a purple mattress and you love it or hate it, I would love if you'd leave a comment below because I've actually been researching these. Some more coupons. HelloFresh. Now for the real deal. Here we go. I'm gonna pop it open. It's so pretty. Here we go. Here is my beautiful FabFitFun winter box. All right, the first item. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. This is one of the customizations. It is so soft. Let's open it. Oh, I love this. This is so soft. And it's huge. This is a big blanket. Check this out. We are going to be fighting over this winter. I love it. It is seriously so soft. I need to check out how to wash it because I don't want to mess it up. I love it so much. I am so glad this was in the box. This may be my favorite FabFitFun item ever. This blanket was a customization and you could have chosen between moisturizing cream, this blanket, a shampoo and conditioner set, a candle, or a beanie and arm warmer set. But I'm super thrilled with the blanket. All right, next we have, I've actually been wanting one of these. I love it when FabFitFun does that. Send something that I'm already thinking about buying. And this is a Bluetooth shower speaker. And I love to listen to podcasts and music in the morning. And I normally have my phone set on a podcast near my shower at volume highest it will go. So I'm really excited for this shower speaker. Woo! And here it is, super cute. It's got a little suction cup on the back. And I'm gonna try this out tomorrow. The other choices for this section, you could have chosen eyelash conditioner, slippers, a clay mask, or a shower speaker. And I chose a shower speaker. And I sound really good when I sing in the shower, right? I mean, basically Adele when I'm in the shower. All right, the next, oh, I love these. The next item is a face and eye mask set. And I love these sets. So let's see, we've got a clarifying face mask, a brightening face mask, an antioxidant face mask, an age-defying face mask, a hydrating face mask, an exfoliating face mask, and a renewal and eye mask. And I love these. These are just the paper mask. I don't know if you can see on the back, but you just put them on your face for about 10 to 20 minutes and it just feels so relaxing. Basically like a spa treatment in your home. And I love these. They say the value is $42 for this set. I don't think I would pay $42 for these masks, but I can't wait to try them. And I love these. These are just like a fun treat. So I'm super excited about these. The other choices, you could have chosen a bracelet, some silk eyelashes and glue kit, or some glow drops. It kind of sounds like an oil, a priming base to make your face glow. But I can't wait to use these. I feel like it's Christmas. I love these boxes. Next, we have a 2020 planner. And I believe some people on the message boards were complaining about a planner. But I know it's 2020 and I should be all digital, but I love to write things down. It's just your planner. You've got the whole month at a glance. And then your planning pages. And I love to plan. I love to write in calendars. I still use paper calendars everywhere, so I love this. So another win for my winter box. Winter box, because it's winning. Okay, winter. All right, the next, the other options for the planner you could have chosen. An eye palette, looks like body butter. It's a body melt, a crossbody bag, or the planner. So I actually was debating between the crossbody bag and the planner, but I love to write things down, so I went with the planner. Okay, the next item, I can see it. I'm so excited. This is a great box. This one is just all the things I love. Ahava, which I love. I use some of their skincare, and this is some Dead Sea bath salts. And I don't know if any of you guys watch my essential oils videos, but I love to use bath salts, and I put some essential oils in it, so I cannot wait to use these. And the other choices for this one were a coffee scrub, or it was a makeup brush cleaner. The next item is Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. And this just says mist generously on damp hair and brush through before blow drying. And it just seems pretty simple. It's a detangler. And I'll go ahead and open it. Oh, it smells so good. This smells so good. I actually have some other detangler that I believe was in another FabFitFun box that I have not used all of it. But this smells so good, I can't wait to try it. Oh, and it's supposed to help protect from heat. And we just received a flat iron in our last box, so I'll use this before I flat iron my hair. And this one was not an option, this was in everyone's box, as well as this next item, which is a makeup eraser. I have never used one of these, I've never seen one of these. I don't even know what you do with this. I mean, I'm assuming erase your makeup. And this is a makeup eraser. So you machine wash it before your first use to activate the fibers. And then all you do, you soak it in warm water and use it to wash your face, to erase your makeup. The short side, which is this side, is to erase your makeup. And the longer side, so it's the side with the tag, is used to exfoliate. So I'm so intrigued. I'm gonna try this. I can't wait to try it out. Never heard of these. Makeup eraser. And this came in everyone's box. All right, now we're down to the final item. Again, another item that was in everyone's box. And this is Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. So this is just a soap with lavender in it, but it's got a retail value of $40 for hand soap, so I'm assuming it's pretty good. If not, it's gonna look super swanky in my guest bathroom. So, $40 hand soap, are you kidding me? I love it. And that is it. Those are all of my items in my winter 2019 FabFitFun box. I love this box. These are all things that I'm gonna use. I was hoping I would not want all of them so I could use them as Christmas gifts, but I'm pretty much keeping I'm absolutely keeping everything in this box. And I'm actually getting a little sick, so I may go try these, the Dead Sea bath with some essential oil and try to feel it a little better. And I just can't wait to use everything. I would love to see what you chose for your box. If you could leave a comment below with the link to your video, I would love, love, love to see what you chose. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Have a great week and please subscribe.